Hi, I'm Gudrun from Good Vibes Yoga, and today we're going to be looking at side bends. So today we're going to be playing around with our edge, and what I mean by that is to see how far we can bend to the side without feeling as if we're going to fall off the chair or until we feel a little bit of discomfort. So we want to be comfortable in our side bend. We don't bend to the side very often, do we? So it's a nice way to feel a stretch along the side here and to also build up some strength. So let's have a look at them. So come to sit at the edge of your chair, feet flat on the floor, maybe hip distance apart. If your feet don't touch the floor, then you can always put something underneath them to give you a little bit more height. While you're doing your side bends, just something to have in mind is to not lift your one bottom when you're bending to the side. So try to keep it on your chair at all times. Okay, so taking your right hand and holding the side of your chair. Left arm comes up like this, and if that feels too uncomfortable for your shoulders, then try bringing your arm up from the side and up. Okay, so your left arm is up. Inhale, lengthen through your spine, and exhale, bend towards your right. So your gaze is towards the ceiling or eye level here. Taking a nice slow deep breaths, breathing in and out. Maybe giving a smile, letting your nervous system know that it's okay. On your next exhale, coming out of it. Okay, just take a moment here to notice each side. Notice any sensations that you may be feeling in your body. Let's do that on the left hand side. So left hand comes to the side of your chair. Your right arm comes up. So either forward and up or side and up, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Okay, keeping in mind to keep that bottom on the chair. So inhale, lengthen up, reach up, and exhale, bend to your left. Gaze is up towards the ceiling or straight ahead. Nice long deep breaths. And then on your next exhale, you can come out of it. Okay, now take a moment to notice each side. Maybe reaching the left side was easier, or maybe the right side was easier, or maybe there's no difference at all. Just feel the sensations. Let's try another way. So, you're not going to hold your chair this time, you're just going to have it there dangling. So your right hand will be down and then your left hand will come up. So either sweeping forwards and up or from the side and up. Okay, then inhale, lengthen through the spine, so reach up, and exhale, bend towards your right. Either looking up or straight ahead. Nice, long, slow, deep breaths here. And then on your next exhale, coming up. Okay, now take a moment to feel how that felt. Did it feel better holding the chair, or did it feel better without holding the chair? Does your side feel easier this time or not? Okay, let's do that on the left side. So left hand just dangles here, and then right hand sweeps up. Lengthen through the spine, so reach up, inhale, and exhale, bend to your left. So either looking up or straight ahead. Deep, long, slow breaths here. One more full breath. And on your next exhale, coming back up. Again, just notice how each side is feeling. Was it easier holding the chair or not? Okay, now let's try one other side bend. So this may be easier for you or harder for you. All right, reach your arms out in front of you, interlace your fingers, and then bring your arms up to the back of your head here. If this already feels too much, then you can just do the side bends, either holding the chair or without holding the chair. Okay, so your elbows are out on each side. So inhale, lengthen, lift up, and exhale, bend to your right. So your right elbow is down and your left elbow is facing the ceiling. Nice slow deep breaths here. If it feels too uncomfortable, you can come up a little bit, or you can release altogether. One more full breath. And then coming up, and then shaking that out. Maybe rolling your shoulders out. Take a moment to notice what was better. Holding, without holding, or was this more challenging? All right, over to the left. So arms out in front of you, interlace your fingers, and then bring them behind your head here. Okay, inhale, lifting up, and exhale, bending to your left. Slow, long, deep breaths here. One more full breath. And then on your next exhale, coming out of it. Taking a moment here to notice the sides, to notice what was harder. Was it comfortable, uncomfortable? So if you're not used to side bends, it may have been hard for you. So the more you do it, the better and easier it will become. The more strength and flexibility you will gain. So I hope that this tutorial has helped you. Give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe so that you can stay tuned to my videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.